The blizzard of 2010. Once again, and Ralph is having a blast.
Look at him laying in the snow.
Where is he?
Look at this.
Hey, booger.
What you doing, Ralph, huh? Shake yourself off. What are you doing?
Hi, you.
You playing in the snow?
She is having a blast. Ralphie, it's like 6 feet already. What are you doing, Mom? Where you going? You having fun in the snow? Yeah. Man, it's a lot of snow. It's like the 5th time we're digging out, and it just keeps on coming. Hi, Ralph. Ralphie. Snows just keep on coming. And Ralph would be very happy to just sit there and watch us snow blow. Or shovel. How many inches we got now, Sue? It's got to be another foot, no? It's got to be another foot. There, Sue. Come on, Ralph.